Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, but for first-time moms, it can feel overwhelming at first. If you're new to breastfeeding, don't worry, every mother and baby learns together with time and patience. In this video, I'm sharing essential breastfeeding tips every first-time mom should know to make the journey easier and more comfortable. First, start breastfeeding as soon as possible after birth. Early skin-to-skin contact helps your baby latch better and stimulates milk production. The first milk, called colostrum, is extremely nutritious and boosts your baby's immunity, even though it comes in small amounts. One of the most important tips is learning the correct latch. A proper latch prevents nipple pain and ensures your baby gets enough milk. Your baby's mouth should cover more of the areola, not just the nipple. If breastfeeding feels painful, gently break the latch and try again. Comfortable positioning is also key. Whether you choose the cradle hold, cross-cradle hold, football hold, or side-lying position, make sure both you and your baby feel relaxed. Use pillows for support and bring the baby to your breast rather than leaning forward. Feed your baby on demand instead of following a strict schedule. Newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours. Early hunger signs include sucking on hands, lip smacking, or turning the head side to side. Crying is a late sign of hunger, so try to feed before that stage. Many first-time moms worry about milk supply, but most mothers produce enough milk. Frequent feeding helps increase supply naturally. Stay hydrated, eat nutritious foods, and rest whenever possible. Stress and exhaustion can affect milk flow, so take care of yourself too. Nipple soreness is common in the beginning, but it shouldn't last long. Apply a few drops of breast milk to your nipples after feeding and let them air dry. If pain continues, seek help from a lactation consultant. Burping your baby after feeding helps reduce gas and discomfort. Hold your baby upright and gently pat their back. Also, remember to switch breasts during feeds to ensure balanced milk production. Lastly, trust yourself. Breastfeeding is a learning process, and it's okay to ask for help. Every mom's journey is different, and what matters most is that your baby is loved, fed, and cared for. With patience, practice, and support, breastfeeding can become a rewarding experience for both you and your baby.